Children and of our late grandpa and father, late Chief Jimon Ishola Ejibadaru.
And drink anything. Everything is for free. My dear brother, I remember some times ago, I went to the Highland. So 50,000 naira. I was shouting, yay! Come on, so also, I would like to recognize the presence of one of my fathers in the house that I respect so much. Ladies and gentlemen, with joy in your heart, please put your hands together for Chief Alhaji Abdulganiu Kolawole Ebu.
Hi, Chief Daniel Kolawole, Chairman of the local government. You're very much welcome, sir. God bless you. Thank you. And at the same time, I would like to Ramatollah Azam Akinola, Chairman Oriade LCDA. You're very much welcome, man. God bless you. I want to advise you. I was sitting beside one young man attending an event at Abeokuta. Ladies and gentlemen, when they were serving food, they asked me what I want to eat. I said, salad. The man sitting beside me,
This great talented young lady in the building. She has been doing this for a very long time. She's so talented. She has gone far.
making a store. He now put salad in his mouth. The man asked me, yeah, brother, Edo, she got the original. What do you know? I'm not so sick. Original.
Faithia! DJ, please drop it for her. Flexible Faithia. She's very, very flexible. Very, very flexible.